We're on the maiden voyage of the Disney Destiny, and I've always heard bad things about maiden voyages. Maiden voyages are terrible, things go wrong, there's crowds, there's lines, there's fights, there's all sorts of stuff on maiden voyages. So we are here to see if the things are correct or not. One of the huge things that maiden voyages have, and that's things that you can't see on any other ship. Even if you've been on this ship after us, you won't be able to see the same show that we do. So one of those shows that we are able to see is a Heroes and Villains one night only show, which had all these different Broadway stars on there. Susan Egan was on here, and she is the voice of Mother Gothel and Megara from Hercules, which is really cool because Hercules is the main show that is on this ship. But Jordan Fisher, Happily Ever After, that guy, he was on the ship. They were all doing songs and from different movies. It was amazing. It was amazing. Probably the best show that I have seen on a Disney ship. And I've seen all of them now because we watched Hercules just a little while ago, and I'll talk about that later. But it's just been such a fun time with all the different stars. I ran in to Jordan Fisher and I took his picture, and I'll put it right here. But it has been a blast. There has been some hiccups though. So let's talk about those. So one of the things that went not so good happened this morning. And everybody, if you've ever went on a Disney cruise before, you know about the Mickey Churro Waffles. Well, this morning, they didn't have them. And I'm not sure if they will have them on this ship or not, because of the things that they have said when I was asking about Churro Waffles. But let's go back in time to this morning. It's Churro Waffle Day. Today is the day that we get Churro Waffles. Oh my goodness, this is the best day ever. Excuse me, ma'am, do you have Churro Waffles? No, I'm sorry, sir, we don't have Churro Waffles today. And I'm not sure if we will on this ship. What? No Churro Waffles? Oh my goodness, I guess I'll just take a bland regular Mickey Waffle. Okay, here's your bland Mickey Waffle. Thanks, I guess. This Mickey Waffle is so good. I'm now a random person that was sitting beside us. Did you hear about the Churro Waffles? They don't have them this morning. Yeah, I heard. I guess they may not even have them on the ship. But I did hear that you can actually buy them over at Edna a la Modes, and you can buy them there for an extra cost. Random stranger again. What? Me again. Yeah. I went over to Edna Modes and they actually have them over, and you can buy them, and they're the big ones. I'm not sure if they're going to have them anymore on this cruise ship. They did have them in Concierge though. So in a few months, I'll let you know. End scene. Yeah, they might not have Churro Waffles on this ship, and I'm very, very upset. Well, very sad. All the people that were around us are just as upset as I was when they heard that there was no Churro Waffles on the ship either, because again, I woke up, even though it was a reenactment of it, that's how I woke up, saying it's Churro Waffle Day, and I was very, very sad. Disney, if you're watching, please keep the Churro Waffles. The Disney Cruise Line people have spoken around the ship this morning. We all want Churro Waffles, so please keep the Churro Waffles. We all love them and all appreciate them, and we need them to fuel us on our last day. Thank you. Tonight we eat at my most anticipated restaurant, and that is the Pride Lands Feast of the Lion King. I'm so looking forward to this. So that was my favorite dining experience that I've had on our cruise ships, on Disney cruise ships. I loved that dining experience. It felt like I was in the middle of Festival of the Lion King, which I love that show. I love the movie. So put me in the middle of the Lion King. I'm a happy person. And the food was so good. Like the desserts, oh my goodness. 10 out of 10 for restaurants, for the Disney ships. That was amazing. Tonight is Pirate Night, so I feel like tonight would be the best opportunity to see if the tech stuff worked because of the fact that they shoot off fireworks on a Disney ship. So let's see if the fireworks go off with a bang. Okay, that was stupid. I thought that was going to be a good joke, but I'm a dad. It was a dad joke. Let's just see if the fireworks work tonight. So like I said, it's Pirate Night tonight. So we're all piratey up. How you like it? How you like my pirate outfit? Am I piratey enough for Pirate Night? I think so. Arr. Okay, the fireworks are about to happen. Let's see if they go off without a hitch.
Though calm the waters be, your ship was rocking.
We rocked the boat! Let's get some sparkling treasure!
Captain Jack Sparrow.
There's one lounge that we have yet to step foot in because it's been so busy every single night. Like literally an hour or two before it even opens, people have been there. And that, hopefully, we're going to try to go in it again right now. I don't know if we are, but it's DeVille's. So if you really want to go into DeVille's, you're going to be waiting quite a while. Just letting you know. Okay, so right now it's at capacity. And it reaches capacity because it's a small venue. So we're going to try to go in because we haven't been in. So we're waiting. We're waiting for people to come out. So we're going to try DeVille's one more time because they have something with Cruella here that we have not seen yet. So we're going to try it. And it looks like there's no line because there's dinner and a show going on, so let's see.
All right. Hi, everyone. Hello.
We haven't met. I'm Gamble. Nice to see you.
Yes, and I'm Zaya. Lovely to see you all.
Wow, this place is classy. You all here for the music?
Yes, and speaking of music, I'm sensing that there is a song that is begging to be sung.
Ooh.
And Christina, I believe you are sensing that too. What do you got?
Yes, that's the one. If you know the words, sing along with us. Come on. Cruella DeVille, Cruella DeVille. If she doesn't scare you, you will, she will. Cruella DeVille.
Yes, what is this? You idiot!
Oh, good evening, Cruella DeVille.
Oh, how dare you repeat the lyrical falsities of that dreadful song! I'm utterly grief-stricken!
Oh, we're so sorry, Cruella. We didn't know you were going to be so upset.
Have any of your friends ever called you a nasty name like Vampire Bat? Inhuman Beast?
Those are you ones. I'm sorry.
Oh, have you ever been betrayed by someone who you thought was a friend?
Yes. She has. She has.
Yes! Oh, how did you ever carry on?
Never. Oh, she went to the bar. That's why she's here.
Classy.
Oh, help her.
Yeah.
What can we do? Who has an idea?
Help, Cruella. What should we do?
Write a new song. Oh, you're brilliant.
Yes, song. They have the same idea over here, Saya.
Yes, all right. I think it'll work. I'll tell her.
Okay.
I've already heard!
Okay.
It's fabulous to think your creativity can flip these falsities into flattery.
Yes, Cruella, we will all write you a new song. Just give us like 30, 40 minutes.
Yeah, I'll make it 10.
10.
Plenty of time.
Okay.
You will all help. Yes?
Yes.
Darlings. Tell me, Cruella
Oh my goodness. Oh, yes!
I'm back! Looking more exquisite than when I left.
Yes.
I do hope this song makes mention of my beauty. Yes. An undeniable sense of style.
Oh, yes. You will not be disappointed, Cruella. This crew is incredible.
Everyone, are we ready? We love you. Sing it from the top. Let's do it. Cruella, before we get started, this is your VIP fan section. Pictures, people, come on, yes. All right, and our two dance captains, they were back there. All right, here we go. Eccentric and spotty style, Cruella goes the extra mile. She's got a killer smile, flamboyant makeup takes a while. Cruella, sleep fast car. Beep, beep. Cruella, we're in her bar. About your new song.
I hate it. You've done it.
Oh no. Okay, glad your name isn't Cruella.
It's yes, Cruella, you and yes, even you. I admit I was doubtful, but nonetheless. Now I feel as good as I look. Yes. Who wrote the part about my spotty style?
Ooh, spotty style right here down.
Red roll on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Praise those babies. It's nothing left.
Okay, I love watching the Now Hero Dash, not Jack Sniper Dash, but I love watching that. But I feel like I'm watching something illegal every single time I watch that, like exploiting little children for our entertainment. But so much fun. So we are back from our cruise. It's been a day since we've been back, and I had some time to think about all the stuff that's happened on the cruise, the shows, the food, and I will tell you, this was by far my favorite cruise that we have been on for Maiden Voyages, and it is my favorite ship. It's not my favorite cruise altogether, because that is still the Disney Alaska cruise that we went on going over there, but this was so much fun, so good. The ship was amazing. The crew was amazing. Zach and Gamble, the storytellers on this ship were phenomenal. All the shows that they were part of, I wish they were part of every single show, because that's how good they did. Seeing all the special things with all the celebrities there, with Susan Egan, Jordan Fisher, James Monroe, all the different celebrities that were on the ship was amazing. The show that they did, the Heroes and Villains One Night Only, that was by far my favorite show I've ever seen on a Disney ship, and I almost cried. I don't cry for anything, and I held it back because I was like, okay, can't do this in the middle of a cruise ship, but it was so good. The festival, or the Feast of the Lion King, was so good. The entertainment, I think that's my favorite of the three show style things, between the Frozen, the Coco, and this one. It was by far my favorite. The theme, I love the theme, Heroes and Villains. I got the villains merch. I had to, but it was just amazing. Highly recommend going on this ship, and highly recommend going on a maiden voyage if you've never been on a maiden voyage. If you've always wanted to and you never thought if it was worth it or not, trust me, it is worth it, because they do things that they'll never do on this ship again. So all the special things that we got, like the hero and villain one night only show, that will never happen again. So we got to see it, and it was amazing, and I'm so happy that we were able to do it, and I can't wait for a lot of other Disney ships that are coming out soon. I probably will not be doing the Disney Adventure just because it's all the way on the other side of the world, and it's only a 3-night cruise, so that doesn't feel worth it to me for me to go and spend all that money to fly over there, get on the ship, blah blah blah, just to get on the maiden voyage. But again, if you are in the running to do a maiden voyage on any of the ships, at least for Disney, I highly recommend it, because it was so much fun. And yeah, I had a blast. My wife had a blast. It was just so many memories, and I can't wait to do it again. But make sure, if you like this kind of videos, if you like theme parks and cruises and stuff like that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys later. And remember to keep on wishing and making those waves. Bye-bye.